Energetic voice, struggling to meet someone new. Feeling stuck in the same dating routine. Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving into the world of Tinder and why it might just be the perfect dating app for you, young adults. Unlike traditional dating sites, Tinder is all about instant connection. You control who you see with easy-to-use swipes based on age, distance, and even interests. Feeling adventurous? Tinder isn't limited to your zip code. Swipe right on potential matches anywhere in the world, or find your perfect local catch. Tinder isn't just about looks, though a great profile pic never hurts. Showcase your personality with a bio that reflects your interests and sense of humor. Safety is important. Tinder offers features like in-app reporting, photo verification, and a panic button for peace of mind. Now let's talk about making your profile shine. Here are some pro tips. Craft killer photos. Choose high-quality pictures that showcase your personality. Funny pet pics are always a win. Bio blast. Write a bio that's both informative and engaging. Ditch the cheesy pickup lines and be honest about what you're looking for. Match magic. When you match with someone, send a message that shows you actually read their bio. Tinder is a fun and easy way to meet new people who share your interests. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and start swiping. Like this video for more dating app breakdowns. Subscribe for relationship advice and all things young adult life.